How to organize a room for a quarantine. Today, many of us want to know this. What interior arrangement should be made in a room for COVID care patient at home? This video will help you in organizing such a room, including provisions for oxygen cylinder if you need one. You will know about everything that you need to provide in such a room. You will also hear expert cosmetologist about mask wear and care. Insurance expert will guide you about what needs to be recorded and submitted later. And experienced doctor shall give you a very important advice to win this war against COVID. These are the timestamp topics in the video. They are given below in the description box. You can also directly jump to the subject you want to hear about if you are short of time. I am architect Prachi Zoglekar, practicing architect for 30 years. In this video, I will tell you about arrangements to be made, or rather room interior makeover you will have to do for a COVID care at home. Lots of professionals from various fields have helped us so that we can give correct tips to our viewers. Some have given their valuable advices in this video. I thank all of them. We have also included list of things you will need and a few important contact details in the description box. The description box shall be updated with relevant links on this topic like exercises to regain strength, correct diet, mediclaim, immunity, and many more. Keep checking at intervals for the latest updates. Now let us cover all topics one by one. As an architect, I will say if possible, choose a room which is airy and well lighted. A patient is going to spend next 7 to 15 days here. But the first priority is that it should have an attached toilet which others are not going to use. It will be best if there is a side table with drawers beside the bed. We will need lot of things to be kept by patient's side. Remove lamps and other things from the tabletop. If your side table has drawers, then you can keep all your related paperwork here. What documents you need to keep there is covered in the later part of the video. If you do not have a side table, you can shift a center table from your living room here, or a low height stool if you have one will also do. The height of these tables should approximately match your mattress height for easy use. If the top surface is polished wood, don't forget to cover it with plastic. You can tape the table mat or simply cut a large plastic bag and tape down all edges to the table. This will protect your furniture from any spillage that might happen. Oxygen cylinder or an oxygen concentrator is the most unknown thing of all the arrangements that you will have to do. So let us start with arrangements for that. These are pictures of some of the standard oxygen machines for home use. They need electricity supply. When you acquire your oxygen cylinder or oxygen concentrator, inquire about what kind of plug point is needed for it and make provision accordingly. Most of these machines have 16 ampere plugs, that is big domestic plug like your fridge has. They will need 16 ampere or 616 ampere switch socket for plugging in. Changing the wall socket is not an option right now. Alternatively, you can use converter plug or extension board on a 5 ampere socket that is existing in your house as shown in these pictures. Ensure there are no tripping hazard chances. Changing the wall socket position is not an option right now, but you can change your bed location if needed. Make sure you orient the headboard near the switch socket if you do not have socket above bedside table. Ensure there are no wires lying on floor on which a person can trip over. Try to arrange these wires touching the bed or touching the wall skirting and tape down the entire length of wire on vertical surface. You can use 2 inches brown tape or masking tape to do this. The purpose of taping the wires to the floor or to the skirting is to avoid persons tripping over. And also make sure all machines, your side tables, stools are not coming in way between the bed and the toilet door. You are also going to need some trays and organizers to keep things tidy. Use the plastic trays or serving trays. If you can't find enough of them, you can also use steel thali. Remember, whatever you choose will need frequent cleaning and sanitizing. So do not choose delicate or costly items. You can also use cardboard boxes which you can throw away later. Arrange all the medicines in one tray. If you are taking homeopathy medicines, keep them in airtight container or tiffin. Otherwise, the sanitizer smell in the room may damage the homeopathy medicines. In second tray, keep patient care gadgets like thermometer, pulse oximeter, digital BP apparatus, glucometer, etc. In third tray, keep all your sanitization essentials like face mask, hand sanitizer sprays, wet sanitizer wipes, plain wet wipes, tissue whippers, hand gloves, etc. Now, before we go to check the further list, let's hear what Dr. Prajali has to tell us about face mask wear and care.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Prajali Sawant Kamthe. I'm a founder and director Aura Skin and Hair Clinic. Today, entire world is fighting against COVID-19. Doctors gave lot of preventive measures for COVID-19. And the most important guideline is wear a mask daily. Our today's topic is regarding that only. Mask wear with care. So because of prolonged use of mask, there are lots of patients, those who are suffering with skin acne, irritation, pigmentation, skin rashes, fungal infection, especially around your nose, around your chin area and behind the ears. So today we are discussing few preventive measures to avoid skin related problem those who are occurring because of prolonged use of mask. Number 1. Clean and moisturize your face daily. Number 2. Wear a cotton mask to prevent the irritation. Number 3. Wash your face daily with the antiseptic liquid. 4. Wash your face every 4 hourly with the cold water. 5th. Avoid makeup while using mask. Number 6. Try to avoid new skincare product which may irritate your skin. Number 7, and the most important tip is just to contact your skin specialist to get treat all the skin related problems. For more details, you can contact us or our Skin and Hair Clinic, Dr. Prajali Sawant Kamthe. Thank you.
You will need few daily essentials in a room like water bottles, snacks, dry fruits, cotton napkins, body lotions, spectacles. A set of extra cells for oximeter is a good idea. Applicants like wigs, balm, creams, whatever you use for daily use. And a set of clothes, pillows, pullovers, whatever makes you comfortable to sleep. You have to be very careful about how you dispose. You have to follow all the standard norms of disposal. You will need few hygiene essentials like covered dustbin, covered laundry bag or a bucket with a lid, disposable plates, glasses, bowls, plastic bags to dispose things, antiseptics like Dettol and Savlon, and sanitizers. Now remember that the patient is going to be alone in that room for few days. To pass the time and to keep the patient's mood cheerful, you will need to arrange some entertainment. Reading material like books and Kindle, music player, phone with charger of course, TV. It will be a good idea to zip the TV remote in plastic bag for easy sanitizing. Though the phone and charger is given to the patient, ask them to stay away from social media and especially the news. They should do activities which will keep them in happy mood and should be away from everything that will depress them. You will need to keep few records like temperatures, oxygen levels, BP levels. Food intake and medicines taken should also be recorded. A spiral notebook will be handy for all this. Add all contact numbers you will need to dial in case of an emergency. Keep doctor's prescription and your medical reports handy. And yes, keep a sticky notepad around on which you can draw some smileys, get well soon messages which will immediately bring a smile on the face. Let's hear in detail from Kiran Harwani about medical insurances and things that are needed to do.
Hello friends, I'm Kiran Harwani working with Star Health and Allied Insurance Company, experienced for more than 12 years in the health insurance segment. Most of the insurance companies have started offering reimbursement for COVID patients under the home care. Points that you want to keep in mind when you're taking this benefit. Firstly and mainly, don't forget to inform your insurance agent immediately or within 24 hours with the notification that you have received. If for some reason you can't get connected, please call up the health insurance company toll free, give them your policy number and get your claim registered. Otherwise, we are there to help you up, guide you for the same. In home quarantine, the insurance companies expect the policyholder to keep records of the temperature, BP, blood sugar levels if they are diabetic, along with the line of treatment given by the doctor. There has to be a submission of documents in a proper file in which first the claim form signed by the policyholder and the treating doctor stamp and sign. policy copy, PAN card, Aadhaar card, cancel check, your medical papers, prescriptions, chemist bill, oxygen bills, ambulance charges, receipts, X-ray reports and CT scans have to be attached to the file. Take a Xerox of the scanned documents before you're sending it to the insurance company. And mainly and mostly, don't panic. We are here to help you. Thank you.
Now we have heard it all in detail and at length. In nutshell, I'll say you need to keep records of the temperature, BP, blood sugar, treatment, and food intake. And you have to keep papers ready in a file in case of emergency. Xerox of PAN card, Xerox of Aadhaar card, original Aadhaar card, doctor's prescriptions, reports like X-rays, CT scan, medical reports. And don't forget the name of the medicines patient is allergic to any. And your Mediclaim card or the Xerox of the policy. You will find all these lists in the description link given below the video. This was all about preparing a room and providing everything that will give comfort to the patient. Equally important is preparing yourself mentally. Let's hear what advice Dr. Sunila wants to give us.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunila Dikshit Acharya, practicing homeopathy in Mumbai for last 28 years. I would also like to share my thoughts in this respect. This list of things given above will definitely save time and bypass chaos in difficult situations. But mind you, your positive attitude, calm composed mind is a major game changer. All of us know importance of positive thinking, but we physicians witness it day in and day out. Mindset of patient plays very important role in development of disease and in recovery also. All of us have seen unexpected complications in patients who do not have any risk factors at all. Similarly, we have also witnessed astonishing cures in patients having so many major diseases. Mindset of patient makes all this difference. Strong emotional support and calm composed demeanor of family members uplift the patient towards recovery. Remember, along with COVID, panic and positive attitude, positive outlook, both are equally infectious. So, to win this COVID battle, we should put an end to our panic fears and propagate positive approach. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
You can connect with us for any further guidance regarding how to arrange your room for home care. It will be a free consultation for all our viewers. All COVID warriors are doing their task. This is a small help as an interior designer. I thank my friend Kiran who gave me an idea to make such a video. I thank all the professionals and my staff who helped to create this video. I hope this video and the other videos in this playlist will be of great help to arrange the room efficiently and take care of yourselves and your dear ones before, during and after COVID. Many a times, youngsters are making these arrangements for elders. Hence, we have mentioned few things which may seem very obvious to the experienced person, but the youngsters need it. We have tried to cover all the topics which shall be needed to set up a room or do a makeover of the room for the COVID patient care at home. Always follow your doctor's advice. He knows what's best for each of you as your doctor. Remember the most important thing. Do not panic. Help is arriving from every corner of the universe. Just ask for it and you will get it. Take care, keep positive attitude, and we all will win this war soon. As I said earlier, we will be adding more videos in this playlist. Keep checking for updates. You will find more videos uploading soon from experts in fields of medicine, physiotherapy, psychology, nutrition, interior and many more. Everyone we shall be giving their valuable guidance for you all. Keep watching and stay tuned with us. Click on notification icon to get alerted whenever we post a new video. Bye for now. Stay safe. Wear your mask.